In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to link to an anchor in Confluence. Anchors are a really handy way to let your readers jump directly to a specific part of a Confluence page, especially if the page is long or has several sections. Instead of scrolling and searching, they can click a link and land exactly where they need to be. In this walkthrough, I'll show you how to set up an anchor, and then how to create a link that points to it. First, open the Confluence page where you want to create the anchor. Make sure you're in edit mode so you can change the content of the page. You can usually do this by clicking the edit button at the top of the page. Next, decide exactly where you want people to land when they click the link. This might be the start of a section, a particular heading, or even a paragraph with important information. Place your cursor at that spot. Now you'll add the anchor itself. In the Confluence editor, insert the anchor macro. Depending on your version, you might do this by typing an open brace and searching for anchor, or by using the insert menu and looking for anchor. When the anchor macro appears, give it a clear, simple name. Avoid spaces and special characters. Using something like pricing section or FAQ top makes it easier to remember and reuse. This name is what you'll reference in your link later. Once the anchor is in place, save or update the page so the anchor becomes active. After saving, scroll to the section where you want to add the link that will jump to this anchor. This can be on the same page or on a completely different Confluence page. Highlight the text you want to turn into a link, then open the link dialog. In the link field, you'll reference the anchor. If you're linking from the same page, you typically use a hash symbol followed by the anchor name, like pricing section. If you're linking from another page, first choose or paste the target page, then append narart and the anchor name to the end of that page URL or page reference. Confirm the link to insert it, then publish or update your page again. Finally, test the link by clicking it. You should be taken directly to the exact spot where you placed the anchor. If it doesn't work, double-check that the anchor name in the macro matches the name in your link exactly, including any dashes or capitalization.